Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdara Lubis. I want to explain material PowerPoint article journal. The title is moving on the teaching, writing, a classroom action research. Okay, next abstract. There is a classroom action research which the focus on improving student ability in writing in a narrative paragraph by using short movie. Before doing the research found that most of the students are still low ability in writing the cannot the seats what they are going to write. And doing the research asked the student what had the English movement then asked them to write paragraph. In English then I asked to do for evolution. The finally we come to the discussion part. We discussed about the errors that they found in the parallel evolution process. Then I give suggestion and the correct way in writing paragraph. The student, this is to the work done in the class. Try to make some solution. Then we did the second kilo, but we still found some problem, especially about the student practication. Then student verticalization are also the student reading were statistic. The result of the research was the student ability in writing paragraph in English improved. Also, they enjoy learning English writing by watching in English movie. Introduction. During last several decades on the most exciting change in the education is related to the word technology. I'll talk some days regarding the effectiveness of technology. Have excited Iggy Clement 2004 Kojima 1994. Most research great technology be asset efficiency as connective tools will and international media. For example, Bruce and Levin 2001 suggestion that technology can be helpful in the classroom setting by encouraging helping communication, constructing teaching products, and assisting students self-expression writing on the skill in EFL classroom. Some student EFL, including Indonesian, have difficulties to express others through writing because they don't know what they should write down about. They find difficulties in causing the topic of the writing. Review literature. The literature highlights the transformative role of the technology in education, which consists on its effectiveness, a cognitive tool, and the international medium. Addressing the challenge EFL students face in the writing emphasizes the importance of using media, particularly technology, to inspirative and facilitate expression. The focus on film technique tools supported and educators. Opinion of the Philippines and examine offers lesson with student media-oriented practice. The research aim to assess effectiveness in using moving writing activities and the aging student narrative writing skill, wording flew interest of the teacher. Readers interested library movie at the writing tool. Method. Setting this classroom action research week conducted in science program. Second grade. Senior head Islamic boarding school Datuk Suleiman Putri Palovo and English Russian class. The total number of students was 20 students. This is research the neon trees class, order line, and the best to enforce the student writing skill and biasing. And profession of the action research. The basic compares with was focused in the classroom action research, namely the conference in writing narrative paragraphs. The profession for the action were preferred the short movie. The data source for this research including student, teacher, and partner collaborators. Technique and instrument of collecting data technique. The collecting data technique in this classroom action research. A. Test to find out the student score. B. Observation to find out student participation during to ask of the movie in technique writing. C. Narrative to find to the level of scores the implementing the as of the moving teaching narrative paragraph. D. Discussion among the research as teacher with the collaborators as why make revision its claim. Result and discussion are planning. In the planning, the team analyzes the curriculum, especially of the basic of competence. Then make a lesson plan about the ask of movie the teaching how to make narrative paragraph. In classroom management number student 20. To make the classroom comfortable following the preparation of the test, making the instrument which as the Kyle classroom and research. B. Acting. In the first scale, the information was not stable when planning. D. Because some cause phrase most students were still not familiar with the writing moving activities. Second, most the students didn't have a brief to be active for evaluation. Last, some students did understanding how to make narrative paragraph. Observation. In the observation phase, the results of observation on student activities during the teaching and learning process, the score was 99%. For two more evaluation of the student writing short, that the student writing were mostly in the scores, the main scores, and only 5:40 o'clock. The reflecting there is some significant found in the reflection in the first class. First, most the students were still familiar writing to movie activity. Also, most of the students did not have a brief to be activity and for evaluation. Conclusion. Writing movies activities ineffective in involving student writing skill, especially narrative paragraph. It is worth the by teaching of the ideal score name in participation 85%, and in writing evaluation mean score 723. The scores of students inscribed in very class. For tomorrow, writing movie activity make personal situation interesting, and the student enjoy the teaching and learning process during the acting. Thank you.